To increase the chances of your shorts going viral on YouTube in 2023, you can follow these tips. Number 1. Create engaging and attention-grabbing content. Start by brainstorming unique and compelling ideas for your shorts. Focus on creating content that is visually appealing, funny, surprising, or informative. Aim to capture the viewer's attention within the first few seconds. Number 2. Keep it short and concise. As the name suggests, shorts are meant to be brief. Try to keep your videos under 60 seconds to cater to the short attention spans of viewers. Quick and impactful content has a higher chance of being shared and going viral. Number 3. Leverage trends and popular topics. Stay updated with the latest trends, men's and popular topics in your niche. Incorporate these elements into your shorts to make them relatable and shareable. Utilize hashtags and relevant keywords to increase discoverability. Number 4. Optimize your title, description, and tags. Ensure that your title, description, and tags accurately describe your video content and include relevant keywords. This will help YouTube's algorithm understand what your video is about and recommend it to users who may be interested. Number 5. Pay attention to the first few seconds. The beginning of your video is crucial. Use eye-catching visuals, catchy music, or an intriguing hook to grab the viewer's attention immediately. Make sure the first few seconds are captivating, enough to make viewers want to watch the rest of the video. Share on other platforms. Promote your shorts on other social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or TikTok. Cross-promoting your content will expose it to a wider audience and increase the chances of it going viral.